In today's world, there's a lot we can do with wood. From growing it to using it, that's just how it's always been. But in order to get more use out of it, we have now evolved to adopting new processing techniques so we can make a living out of wood today. Let's take a look at these crazy wood processing machines, big wood cutting factories, and incredible sawmills. Sherwood Series milling machines. We all know a simple shapeless log cannot be used for anything except putting it in fires. But if you shape a log into something specific, there are many uses you can get out of it. This is where the Sherwood Series milling machines come in. This amazing machine can shave the logs to 20 feet long and only 1.25 feet wide. The blade spins around at 950 RPM at the cylinder's head and 300 RPM around the milling spindles. You can also outfit a hydraulic dry system if you need help loading fresh logs and removing the newly cut ones. This beast of a machine has been designed for the production of rounded logs with a longitudinal group and a compensating cut for laying in a frame with a diameter of 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, and 320 millimeter. The machine also comes equipped with two hydraulic cylinders that have platforms on the rods which can help you lift and adjust the position of the log in front of the clamp. It is possible to install a scraper belt conveyor inside the frame for waste disposal so you don't have to deal with the wood scraps. In an additional configuration, the machine can be given a system with a hydraulic drive for loading raw logs and removing finished products. It is also a system for the single-piece feeding of logs in the machine. Woodworking enterprises that specialize in manufacturing house parts from mountain logs with a production volume of up to 6,000 meters cubed of finished products per year with two-shift work. Phaser Peeling Line Compensa. Even though turning the raw log into a useful piece of wood can be quite a long and tedious process, the fortunate invention of the Phaser Peeling Line Compensa makes it seem like the moment passed in the blink of an eye. If you don't believe us, you can see for yourself. No matter how big or cumbersome the raw log is, this machine can peel them down until it is the right length, width, and height. The waste from all the peeling is funneled out through the clipping gate in order to make the cleaning process a fairly simple and less time-consuming one. Bell's Machining Super Splitter. A machine that can help you chop down huge logs into a more manageable size is no small deal. Yes, we are talking about Bell's Machining Super Splitter. This powerful machine that is the envy of beavers and lumberjacks all over the world has a 76 splitting force that can easily crack any log that gets in its way right through. The Super Splitter can cut logs that are up to 9.5 feet long and 42 inches across with its impressive and smart 4-way wedge. And if that isn't enough, it also features a wireless controller so it's easy for a single operator to both load and split the logs. Bell's Machining Super Splitter has many impressive features, such as sturdy beam frames, 76 tons of splitting force, and the fact that there are no extra engines required to process this beast, which means it is connected directly to a Bell's processor. The user also has some options in the machine, like an adjustable wedge and tandem axles that contain brakes and light kits both, and a small easy-to-use remote control, which allows the user to split logs from a distance. The Super Splitter can also directly connect to your Bell's firewood processor without you having to do anything and without the requirement of any extra power sources. Clearman Industries HD 852 Debarker. Clearman Industries has one very simple aim. It provides only top-quality machinery and industry-leading services using 3 guiding principles: manufacture high-quality products built for high production, increased yield in years of trouble-free operations, use simple yet functional designs to minimize the number of moving parts while maximizing the performance and functionality, provide unequaled service and support to our customers, and high-quality mill machinery and service that will exceed their expectations. Established in 1955 with the sale of the first Clearman carriage, the product line now includes many machinery from carriage drives, log troughs, log turners, and all types of material handling equipment, and the revolutionary Lumber Pro, The new HD852 Rosser head debarker is no different. This recognized the fact that if Clearman built a Rosser head debarker, it would have to be extremely heavy-duty and incorporate several solutions to many of the weak points that the other manufacturers' designs have. There have been improvements made like the addition of cast alloy steel bull wheels, Clearman HD carriage wheels riding on heavy-duty replaceable vehicle tracks, 3 15/16-inch bull wheel shafts, proprietary balanced ambidextrous segmented aluminum head, Clearman exclusive fixed head design on swell reduced head, creating the perfect profile, remote machine grease plate, comfortable operator's booth with the Clearman exclusive palm flat joystick controls that have been mounted into a deluxe armrest joystick seat, touchscreen diagnostic control system for easy troubleshooting of the machine. The truth is, there hasn't been a change in Rosser head debarkers in over 50 years, until now. The trust Clearman owners hold for the company shows from the fact that the first Clearman HD852 Rosser head debarker was sold before it even existed in a blueprint. Brusa wooden screw machine. In case you didn't know, not all screws are made the same. In fact, some screws are made inaccurately with wood. With Brusa's wood screw machine, you can exactly and specifically shape and carve the intricate threads of a screw in no time. Generally, Brusa's wooden screw machine manufacturers can also make a wide range of lasers and cutting machines in order to create the perfect wood products. They even manufacture wooden handles for tools, pick handles, shovel handles, hammer handles, rake handles, broomsticks, walking sticks, wood chair fittings, staircases, wood handrails, stair spindles, wood dowels, wooden screws, and wood furniture components. Frontier Sawmills machine. If you want to make wooden boards, you're going to require milling. What is milling, though? Milling is a process which takes refined logs and turns them into planks. These planks are then used in woodworking, of course. While most mills are usually large to accommodate bigger refined logs as well as the smaller ones, this means they also require a lot of space. Frontier Sawmills is one convenient alternative for low space areas that does not compromise on power. The Frontier Sawmill can process logs up to 27 meters in diameter with its small but much effective 420cc engine. The mill is famous for being able to slice through the most stubborn logs ever. The Frontier equipment can be a very reliable mid-sized sawmill with more than enough horsepower to serve all your milling needs. Its size proves to be quite convenient as it can be managed and handled easily. Although this doesn't mean that the machine is not powerful, it actually is very capable, strong, and dependable while having a muscular workhorse. It can be used for any wood job you can think of. With greater log capacity and an electric start option, the adjustable blade can help guide the user while allowing them to make the blade width narrower. This results in more control when making the smaller cuts, a feature you will not find in other models in the same price range. Moreover, the infinite adjustable blade height can be useful in cutting any board thickness you would like. If you look at it price-wise, this sawmill offers you a 23-inch wide guide to cut in a $3,200 package. When you look at value terms, this can be quite a big factor. Leitz PlugTech Window Corner Joint. If you get it right, woodworking can be a precise and beautiful skill to have. This is particularly true when you look at framed windows, which include the uses of dowels in the process. Dowels are small wooden pins and pieces that are stuck into two different pieces of wood in order to join them together while offering structural reinforcement. To reach the desired effects, this requires an immense amount of precision and consistency, and using the Leitz PlugTech Window Corner Joint, you can get the accuracy you're aiming for. A very stable and well-fitting machine, it can allow many different profiles and widths in order to achieve maximum customization. These joints also have the strength to support up to 180 kilograms of the total weight, making Leitz PlugTech an ideal solution for window manufacturers, architects, and building owners. And that's a wrap on Crazy Wood Processing Machines, Biggest Wood Cutting Factory, and Sawmills. What do you think about the relevant question to the video? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.